Hi guys, I just finished making this African blouse and long skirt using just two measurements. And as you know, I always talk about the Lutterloh pattern making system. This particular style is not in the pattern making system, but I got the pattern for the blouse from the Lutterloh pattern making system. All I did was to add just a few things, like the hand. That is all I did to the style. But the particular pattern, to be able to make this, I got it from the Lutterloh pattern making system. So let's look at how the blouse looks like. That's the blouse. It has some gathers, pleated gathers down there. And of course the skirt was a short one. All I did was to just do a little addition by adding these side buttons to the long skirt to give me this wonderful creation. And I did all this with just two measurements. Now this is the style from the Lutterloh pattern making system. That's the style, that's the blouse. So you can see that I used the green lace for this place, and this is the blouse, and this is the pleated part of the blouse. As you can see, the skirt is short, but I still use the shape, because with the Lutterloh pattern making system, all you need is two measurements, your bust and your hips, to be able to get this pattern. The pattern is always behind. All the patterns you need to make this dress is already behind. All you need to do is to use two measurements and trace out your patterns, and then place it on your dress, and then do the cutting. So this is the end result of this. As I said, I added a few of my own. The hand, I did some pleatings of the hand here using a chiffon and a little bit of beads. Just added it to the hand just to give it a wonderful style. And of course the skirt, I made it long rather than short, and then added this to it. So you can do a lot with the Lutterloh pattern making system. The joy of it is that it's quite easy to use, and you can adjust it. You can do a lot of things with it as long as you have a fashion sense. Now, if you want to make this gown, I have a full detailed course on how you can make it every single step of the way. How you can make the blouse, how you can do the hand like this, how you can do the cutting, how you can elongate the skirt from a short skirt. I have a full video. So if you're interested in making this for yourself, or making it for a customer or whatever, just click the link below this short video, and it will take you straight to the practical hands-on style.